Hi everyone! Before we start mixing the ingredients, coat the pan with butter and cover it with baking paper. That way the paper will be fixed better. Mixture preparation. Add 4 whole eggs at room temperature to the mixing bowl. Mix to break the egg yolks and gradually add 180 grams of sugar and 8 grams of vanilla sugar. We mix until we get a foamy mixture. It is always desirable to mix from low to high speed. When we have mixed well, the mixture has risen nicely and from yellow to a much lighter color, add 200 milliliters of oil. Stir briefly and slowly in one direction with a whisk to combine the oil. Then add 200 milliliters of milk and repeat the process with the whisk. Now, mix 250 grams of flour and 12 grams of baking powder. Sieve and gradually add to the mixture so the biscuit dough is airy and lump-free. Indulge in the perfect baking experience with this recipe that guarantees soft, airy dough that stays fresh for up to 10 days. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. The mixer is no longer needed. We continue to work with the whisk so that the biscuit dough is airy, which will give it volume during baking. Mix with a whisk in such a way that we gently stir upwards from the bottom of the bowl to make sure that no flour is left at the bottom. Spread the mixture in a baking pan and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Here you can orientate yourself by color. Ideally, it will be 27 minutes. Do not open the oven during the baking process. Let it cool at room temperature while we make the chocolate topping. We need 200 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of butter, and 30 grams of sugar for the topping. Pour 350 milliliters of milk into the mixture and heat on medium until it boils. Let the topping cool at room temperature. It does not need to cool completely, it is enough to be warm. Take the cake out of the pan and cut the ends to get regular cubes. Cut the cubes to your preference, varying the size as desired. I created an interesting mixture of small, medium, and large cubes. Dip the biscuit cubes in the chocolate dressing. Immediately remove and drain. We must not keep it too long because the biscuit will absorb a lot of chocolate. Sprinkle the topped cubes with coconut. It is necessary to roll them in coconut until they are covered. Be careful here because the cubes are very soft. This recipe requires 350 grams of coconut. Let me know if you need any further assistance. I genuinely appreciate your support through your likes, subscriptions, and engagement. Thanks for tuning in.